Gigi the Giraffe and the Green Train. Gigi the Giraffe loved adventures, and today was extra special. She was riding the Green G train to Grape Grove. The train was bright green with golden details, and a big letter G was painted on its side. As the train chugged along, Gigi peeked out of the window, enjoying the fresh air. She was on a mission to bring a basket of grapes to her grandmother. Suddenly, the train made an unexpected stop. The conductor, Mr. Goose, looked puzzled. "Oh dear, there are grapes all over the track. We must clear them before we can go forward." Gigi had an idea. She carefully stepped down and, using her long neck, gently picked up bunches of grapes, placing them into her basket. The other passengers, Gus the goat and Gloria the guinea pig, helped too. Once the tracks were clear, the Green G train started moving again, and soon they arrived at Grape Grove. Gigi delivered the grapes to her grandmother, who smiled warmly and said, "Thank you, dear Gigi. You are great and gracious." And from that day on, everyone in Grape Grove remembered Gigi as the helpful giraffe who saved the train.